Speak English with your kids. Mommy, I cut the cake.
No. Say, I slice the cake.
I sliced the cake. Mommy, I closed the light.
No. Say, I turn off the light.
I turn off the light. Mommy, I remove my shoes.
No. Say, I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes. Mommy, I wear my school bag.
No. Say, I carry my school bag.
I carry my school bag. Mommy, I make a photo.
No. Say, I take a photo.
I take a photo. Mommy, I see TV.
No. Say, I watch TV.
I watch TV. Mommy, I cut the vegetables.
No. Say, I chop the vegetables.
I chop the vegetables.